With the rise of so many different types of project management methodologies, it soon becomes obvious that few can actually agree on what methodology is best. In software development and IT operations realm, the debate has become particularly heated over which is better, Agile or Waterfall methodologies. The first category is traditional Waterfall structure, the second is Agile. Both methodologies apply different philosophies and execute in different approaches. That's to emphasize the different aspects. Now let's look into details. Waterfall has evolved from what's been termed more traditional project management methodologies, employing a sequential, top-down approach to project management. Under the Waterfall project management methodology, project managers strive to eliminate risk and uncertainty by outlining all the steps in a project and defining its scope, budget and schedule up front. One of the main ideas of Waterfall is that by investing time in the early stages of a project to ensure the proper design and requirements have been met, you will ultimately save significant time and effort correcting problems later on. This is accomplished by ensuring that one phase of a project is 100% successfully completed before moving on to the next phase. Advantages of Waterfall methodology are as follows. First, the Waterfall methodology stresses meticulous record keeping, and having such records allows for the ability to improve upon the existing program in the future. Second, with the Waterfall methodology, the client knows what to expect. They'll have an idea of size, cost, and the timeline for the project. They'll also have a definite idea of what their program will do in the end. And third, in the case of employee turnover, Waterfall's strong documentation allows for minimal project impact. While Waterfall is one of the most widely used project management methodologies today, Agile seems to be trending with skyrocketing popularity as a more iterative or change-driven approach. As the name implies, Agile positions itself as a project management methodology that lends itself to faster turnaround and the dynamic ability to quickly adapt to needed changes or course corrections. The Agile approach tends to take a more people-centric perspective, implementing short, iterative phases called sprints that rely on ongoing feedback that continuously reshapes and refines the project path. Advantages of the Agile methodology are: first, the Agile methodology allows for changes to be made after the initial planning. Rewrites to the program as the client decides to make changes are expected. Second, because the Agile methodology allows you to make changes, it's easier to add features that will keep you up to date with the latest developments in your industry. Third, at the end of each sprint, project priorities are evaluated. This allows clients to add their feedback so that they ultimately get the product they desire. Fourth, the testing at the end of each sprint ensures that the bugs are caught and taken care of in the development cycle. They then won't be found at the end. And fifth, because the products are tested so thoroughly with Agile, the product could be launched at the end of any cycle. As a result, it's more likely to reach its launch date.